24 compass, which is I think the same with a lot of other years. And we have trap doors, baby. With a handy dandy tool like this, go in toward the top. Go in from the top. This little flap door. And then we have T's. We have lots of T's. T25. Tool. Already took them out, obviously. And with dry hands, you grab very firmly and pull to get these two out of the socket. We got 1 and 2. That's what's holding you into the body. Now, unfortunately for you, and fortunately for you, you have bulbs. Still have bulbs, which is good. Saves you money instead of buying the whole tail light. So let's replace the bulbs with Toshiba WT1. Can't see it, right? And Mr. 914. See? Oh, I'm sorry, 194. Was that what I said? Don't know. Make sure they're clean. Then put them back. And put the whole light back. And there you have it. Put the 2 screws back. After you line this up, after you clean your bulb. And I'm going to say thank you for watching. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.